Letter writing. Letter writing is the most important form of composition. There are hundreds of occasions when you have to resort to letter writing. Rules of letter writing. Given below are the different parts of a letter. The heading. It consists of the writer's full address and the date. It is written at the top left corner. The letters may be classified under 3 heads: personal letters, business letters, social letters. The salutations or greetings, that is, my dear sister, respected father. Note that the first letter of the sister, father, etc. is written in capital letters. The body. It usually includes an introduction, which gives the reason for the letter, the main information, and a conclusion, which contains a polite wish. The subscription. It is written below the body of the letter. It is written on the right side. It must correspond to salutation such as: to a friend, yours sincerely; to a relative, yours affectionately; to an official letter, yours faithfully, yours truly; to the principal or teacher, yours obediently. The signature. It is written below the subscription. The superscription. It is the address written on the envelope.